everyone. We are staying at the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista Hotel. It's kind of on the corner where like Disney Springs is, but not the same corner. It's like across from it. It's basically across the street, but I just wanted to give you a room tour of this room we're staying in. It's a king bedroom, and it does have a pull-out sofa as well, so you could probably sleep like 4 to 5 people at least. So let me show you what it looks like. All right, you guys, so let's start with the first part of this. So this is the door. To the right of that, behind the door, there is this closet, and it's really cute. It has ironing board, some hangers to hang your clothes, and it has this cute little mirror, so you can make sure you check yourself out, see if you're good for the day. It does actually too, I don't know if you could see it, but let me see. So above here, there's like storage. Look, there's just storage up there, which I thought is pretty neat. And then so to the left of that, maybe if you brought like a purse or something that's small enough to hang there, but they have a ice bucket. And then they have these cute little cubbies. I guess you could put your shoes there or whatever you want to put there, really. I just think this is so cute. I'm just so excited to be here. So then let's take you into the bathroom. Okay, this is the bathroom. It has this really cool mirror that looks like a makeup mirror, like the style. It's a single sink, and look at these cute little oh, you can't see it, hold on. Look at these cute little conditioner, shampoo, body wash, oh, so cute. And they're Mickey style, and they have some cute soap. Then they have towels and stuff right there. There's the trash can, the toilet, and they do have a cute little mirror. It's not like a makeup mirror, with the light and everything, but why use that when you have this? And then you turn here. It's actually a decent sized bathroom, actually. It's pretty basic in here. It's a decent sized tub, I would say, for if you have kids, that you can totally bathe them in here. I love this tile work that's around it. So beautiful. It's just really blue, and I love the color blue, so it's really cute. They do have, also I should probably mention, a hairdryer as well. So then let's go back and let's show you the room now. Okay, there is a king bed right here. Look at that. So pretty. It does have a lamp next to it, and it has this clock that has the USB plugs and just regular plugs, and they have over here, and they have a USB right there as well. Just drawers, some space right there. They have another one as well on that side. And then when you look this way, they just have this, I just wanted to show you guys this. It's just a cute little, I don't even know, really what you would call this, but it looks to me, it looks like kind of farmhouse style, but I know it's not. But it reminds me of that. And so right here, they have a refrigerator. Look at that. It's a decent size, actually. And I love that it's just hidden. It's just hidden, and it looks so cute. And then to the left of that, when you pull this out, you have your coffee maker. Look at this. And they give you a tray, and then there's some storage down there that's just so convenient, which is nice. And it just gets pushed back in there, so that's even better. These are just regular drawers, so you can put your clothes there. I think this one is too. Yeah. But this one, look at this. You guys, look. It actually is labeled safe, so you know what it is. But it's so cool. Look at this. It's actually a really decent size, and it's really hidden. So that makes it even better, because usually the safes that I see are always out in the open. And then on the bottom, they have these two they're, I don't know what you call them exactly, but when you pull them out, they're just basically little square seating spaces, so you could sit on these. And I think this is such a neat idea for more room if you have any more people coming with you, or anybody's friends or family, and they want to come see your room and they need somewhere to sit. That's perfect. They have 2 of those. Then to the left of that, they have your trash and recycle, and then they have this cute desk, which I love. And of course they do have a charging port under there. And they just have this little area, so if you need to do any work, above that is a really cute mirror. It's really nice and big, and just a little chair. Then when you look over here, they have the couch, and this couch does turn into a pull-out couch, which I think is amazing. More people to sleep. And then they have just this cute I mean, I guess it's like a little ottoman that you could probably sit on. It's actually quite big. It's really pretty though. And like I said, it's good because if anybody comes over, they have a place to sit. So definitely more seating spots. And I did want to mention really quick, they do have these really cute lights, and they turn on and off, and they're just right above the headboard, and they're on both sides. And then I didn't show you this, but they have really beautiful art on the wall. I just love this color room. They have a blue and white, or I would say not white. It's like a grayish blue light color. You can't tell, but it's very beautiful, and it really accents the room a lot, and it makes the room feel open with these colors. I just love it. And then to the left of the couch, it has this nice table stand. I think it does pull out. It does. It's really cute. And so like, yeah, look at this room, you guys. It's just beautiful. And of course, there's the TV. And I have to show you guys this downstairs. They have an R2-D2 and it looks so realistic, but I'll have to show you that later. But anyways, this is so amazing. It's such a big room. It was so cheap. And then I want to show you the best part. Look at this. I mean, obviously we didn't get the view we wanted, but look at this, you guys. We're on the 18th floor, and just look at this view. Oh, it's so beautiful. And right over here, over there is where Disney Springs is. So, I mean, we didn't get that side. I would have preferred that, but this view is just amazing in the daytime. And I would totally look, I don't know if you guys can see this, but look how open. It's a big window, literally from this whole wall is the window. You can't see the rest of it because the curtains are hiding it, but this is the whole entire view. This is the entire view that we can see. We can see everything. And I love this. This makes me feel so good. I love being able to see things outside and have windows. So I'm a big window person. And I love letting light in, it just brightens my day. Oh, and then I don't know if you guys could tell, but look, you can see the pool. They have a pool. They also have a volleyball area over there. There's a hot tub that looks open, but it's a really, really nice hotel. And considering where we just came from, we came from the Hilton Garden, which is over by International Drive. It's literally I want to say 4 to 5 minutes from Universal. We just stayed there for 2 nights, and to be honest, I wasn't really impressed with the room. I mean, I liked it, don't get me wrong. It was a good room, but this is so much better. It's so colorful, has beautiful art, and it's very spacious. It looks very spacious, and it has a lot of seating for a bunch of people, and we're here on a trip with a bunch of friends, so that makes it even better. So we can invite them over for just to hang out, talk, chit chat, and even take them to Disney Springs, which is right over there, which is very a convenience because I talked to concierge, and the concierge people told me that it's about a 5-minute walk, so that's actually not too bad to Disney Springs. So I'm looking forward to going there because we're going to go eat at the boathouse tomorrow night, so I'm looking forward to that. But I just wanted to give you this room tour and show you what the room looked like because it's amazing. Really quick, I just wanted to get Trevor in here so he could share his thoughts about the room because I love the room. What do you think?
I love it too.
Yeah. Well, what do you think? Do you agree with me on the comparison to Hilton?
Similar price, right?
Yeah, it was similar price,
Right.
yeah.
I mean, the Hilton was not bad at all. There's nothing wrong with it.
No.
It was really close. It was nice. The service was great. But coming to here directly after checking out the Hilton, it's a shocking difference.
Yes.
I feel like we're getting a lot more for our money here.
Yes, we are. And it's in the convenience to going over to Disney Springs is super close for if you're a family coming and you really want to go to Disney Springs, which a lot of people tend to do when they're on vacation here. It's such a convenience, and they do have a reward system too here, so you can earn points. But I would say I'm really impressed with this room. I felt like the Hilton was just kind of plain. It was just plain Jane. There wasn't anything.
It was a plain good hotel.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it was a plain. No. There wasn't anything bad with it. The bed was good. It just was very plain, and it didn't have a lot of character. You want to feel. Like you love your room. You know what I mean?
I didn't notice how much more I'd appreciate it until I saw it.
Yeah.
And this does feel a lot nicer.
It does. Yeah. It really does. And like I said before, I can't wait to show you guys R2-D2, which is downstairs. Trevor hasn't seen it yet, but it looks amazing. So here is the R2-D2. Look at this. I mean, I don't think it's R2-D2. I think it's maybe a different version of him, but look how cool that is, you guys. But I hope you guys like this room tour, and we're so excited to be here and show you guys this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to tap out.